Hello everyone. Now we will solve one question from isometric view chapter. The question says that we have to draw the isometric view of a square and side is given 40. Now first of all, what is a square? Square is a shape in which all the sides are same dimension and 90 degree. So it is having 40, so all the four sides are 40, and this is a square lamina, means this is a 2D diagram only. So to draw this on isometric axis we need only two axes. Either we can draw this in xz axis, xy axis, or yz axis. So what we do, first of all we will draw an isometric axis. So I have told you in the last class how to draw the isometric axis. First we will draw a ground line. Now you have to draw this axis very light because we have to draw the main diagram, so it should be very light, not visible, so it should not change the shape of main object. So what we do, we after making the ground line, we have taken a 0.0 point and put the protector here on this point. Then after that we have to measure 30 on this side for OX, 30 on this side for OY. Then we can take 90 upward. So we have marked 3 points. Now you have to draw the axis very light, but we don't have to take any length for this. It can be any length. So I have taken this OX very light, you can see. On this side it is OY, again very light line, and in upward direction this is OZ. Now we have taken the three axes. We'll mark the names also. This is X, this is Z, and this is Y axis. Right, now after that you can mark the angles also. This I have taken 30 degrees standard angle. Every time you have to take this 30, this also 30, so mark it 30 on both sides. So this is the isometric axis. If they ask you the same question for 2 or 5 marks, what is the isometric axis, you have to draw the same diagram. Now we will draw the square of 40 side. Square means on this side 40 and on this side 40, so it is actually having length and width is equal to 40. So length and width is equal to 40 means, now let's say in this axis I am going to make the isometric view in xy axis, right? Means in the horizontal direction I want to make the square. Now what I will do, on OX axis I'll take the dimension that is given as 40. So on that I will mark the point. First you have to draw the shape, then after that you can mark the dark area which is visible. So this is also 40 on this side. Now after taking this, what to do, we have to take the parallel line. I have told you there is a box method. Box method says that parallel to this, equal length from this point, parallel to this, equal line from this point. Now to make a perfect diagram I will suggest you to take the help of compass. So from this to this we have marked 40, right? So from this 40 you have taken the 40 distance in between these two. Now what to do, mark from this point 40 and then mark from this point again 40. So all the four sides are coming 40. Now you can draw them, you can join them. This thing and this one. Now what we have done, we have made the box method, right? Now you have to mark the main object dark, and we know that what is the square, what is the main object, a square, so you can make it dark. Avoid the double lines and just try to make the line on the same, whatever we have taken, we have drawn, try to draw the diagram on the same line, otherwise it will give you two lines, double slope lines. So I suggest you the first diagram which you draw initially, that should be very light so that it should not change the main diagram, main object. So this is the required square. Now we will do the dimensioning. So whenever we give the dimension to our object in isometric axis, remember that all the rules are same, just like orthography, all rules are same, only the extension lines, the extension line now should be parallel to any of the axes, any of iso axis, means either extension line should be parallel to OX, OY, and OZ. Okay, so let's say I want to give this dimension. In orthography, what you have taken perpendicular to the length, but now you will take parallel to, now this I have taken parallel to OY, same you have to take parallel to OY, and then same rule, 10 mm gap between object line and dimension line, done. Very light line, thin line, closed arrowhead, then the dimension is 40 given, so using the same aligned system, readable from downward, so this is the dimension 40. No need to give the dimension on other side also, but I will teach you just to show you. If you want to give dimension on other side also, then what you can do, now here I have taken the extension line parallel to OX axis, same parallel to OX axis, and after that parallel to dimension line, I want to give dimension to this part, so parallel to this you have to make dimension line and then arrowhead, draw thin arrowhead, closed, 3:1. Now again aligned system, you have to write value above the dimension line. So this is the dimensioning of a square and isometric view of the square.